Let's practice short O. Repeat after me, please. Pa, pa, da, da, ka, ka, ga, ga, ma, ma, na, na, ba, ba. You might have wanted to say go or do, but we're practicing the short O sound. Da, ga. Ka, ka, la, la, fa, fa, ja, ja, sa, sa, ta, ta, va, va. Again, you might have wanted to say so or to, but we're practicing the short O sound. Ah, ah. Wa, wa, ra, ra, ta, ta, ha, ha, za, za, da, da, ya, ya. All right, now for the fun random part. Na, ka, za, ya, ka, ja. Good job. Let's try another vowel sound. We'd practice A, E, I, O. Let's practice U. Short U. Repeat after me. Pa, pa, da, da, ka, ka, ga, ga, ma, ma, na, na, ba, ba. Ka, ka, la, la, fa, fa, ja, ja, sa, sa, ta, ta, va, va. Wa, wa, ra, ra, ta, ta, ha, ha, za, za, da, da, ya, ya. Random. Ya, la, ja, ka, da, ta. Good job. Keep practicing.